Cloudways Managed WordPress Hosting Review Usage Experience. Links to Cloudways and its plans are in the description. Now, let's get straight into what Cloudways offers. Unlike traditional managed WordPress hosting, Cloudways provides a cloud-based hosting platform that lets you choose from 5 top cloud providers: DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, Vultr, and Linode. This makes it ideal for developers, agencies, and businesses that need scalable, high-performance hosting without being locked into a single provider. Performance is a major advantage. Cloudways offers SSD-based hosting, built-in caching with Varnish, Redis, and Memcached, plus a dedicated content delivery network, Cloudways CDN, to ensure fast page loading times. It also supports PHP 8, MariaDB, and HTTP 2 for optimized speed and performance. Security is strong, with dedicated firewalls, bot protection, automatic backups, and free SSL certificates. Cloudways also offers real-time server monitoring and automated security patching, ensuring your site stays protected. Unlike many managed hosts, Cloudways gives you full control over your server, allowing SSH and SFTP access, staging environments, and Git integration for developers. One of Cloudways' unique features is its pay-as-you-go pricing model. Instead of fixed monthly fees, you only pay for the resources you use. This is great for businesses that need flexibility, but it also means pricing can fluctuate depending on traffic and resource usage. Support is available 24/7 via live chat and tickets, but unlike other managed WordPress hosts, there's no phone support unless you upgrade to a premium support plan. The dashboard is intuitive, but there is a learning curve compared to traditional cPanel-based hosting. Overall, Cloudways is best for users who need high-performance, scalable hosting with full control over their server environment. It's not the most beginner-friendly option, but for developers, agencies, and businesses looking for flexibility and power, it's one of the best choices available. If you're considering Cloudways, check out the links in the description for more details.